T'avais pas appuyé. So, since I can't really do a whole lot on the white water that really mimics that instability, I try and use the fit ball a fair bit. So, jumping on the fit ball and using the elastic to mimic that kind of like water pressure, and then just using the blade and trying to get that pressure on the blade like I would in the water. And obviously the fit ball's quite unstable, so balancing that and holding it for as long as I can. Against the fence, I am working on different drills.
Все новости дня, выпуски программы «Новости Татарстана», программы и фильмы на сайте tnv.ru и на YouTube-канале ТНВ. Подписывайтесь.